Hey, welcome back to the channel. Let me tell you something honestly. When beginners hear Azure Data Lake Cloud Storage, they immediately think, "Yaar, this is too hard." But today, I will prove one thing. If you can use Gmail, if you can click a mouse, you can create Azure Data Lake Gen2. No coding, no theory, only real practical demo. So open a new tab, go to portal.azure.com and let's do this together. Is this your first time in Azure or are you learning data engineering? If yes, relax. I will explain each click slowly. Comment a start below and follow along with me. What you need first? Before we start, you need Azure account that is free. Go to portal.azure.com, sign up with email and get $200 free credit. And then we need credit card for verification. Only for verification. No money will be deducted. And after that, 10 minutes of time. That's it. That is super quick. Now, look at my screen. We are inside portal.azure.com. On the top left corner, you will see a button called Create a Resource. Click on it. This button means I want to create something new in Azure. After clicking Create a Resource, you will see a search box. Type slowly a storage account. Click the first result. Now I am going to here create. Click on create. Good. Now the real setup starts. So now you will see a form. First option is subscription. Click the drop down. If you are a beginner, select free trial. If you already have Azure, select your existing subscription. So what is subscription? Think of it like your payment account, your billing identity. Everything you create in Azure must belong to a subscription. Select it and move on. Next option is resource group. This is very important. Click create a new and you will see a small box. Type my first data lake 234 and OK. What is resource group? Think of it like a folder or a project bag. All related resource goes inside one resource group. Like all related resources go inside one resource group. Today, a storage account, data lake, all will stay inside this group. This makes management easy. Next field is a storage account name. So now we have to click on it, a storage account name, and we have to give a name like my first data lake 1, 2, 3. Then important rule, only lowercase letter, only number must be unique. And if you can see Azure says name already exists, the storage account name is already taken, then I have to pick another storage name. So now it is perfect. The next one you will see here is region. Next is region. Click on the drop down box, select the closest region to you. Example, India, Central India, USA, East USA, Europe, West Europe. Closer region is equal to faster access, less cost. Next is performance. Select a standard, recommended for most of the scenario, general purpose V2 account. A standard is cheaper, perfect for learning, used in most cases. Now, now look at the top of the tab and we have to find the advanced tab. So first of all, we have to check. Yeah, you can see here, it is saying that there is an option advanced. Click on advanced and then scroll down slowly. You have to find one option that name is enable hierarchical namespace. This one. This checkbox is everything. If unchecked, normal blob stories. If you checked Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, so means If you want to convert your storage account from blob to data lake storage, you have to click, like you have to check this box. Say it with me. This is my data lake, and leave all other options as default. And then I have to click on review plus create. And Azure will validate your setting. We have to wait for few seconds. If you see like validation passed, then click create, wait 1-2 minutes and go to the resource. And now congratulations, your Azure Data Lake Gen2 is ready. We have to just wait for some particular 1 or 2 minutes. And after that, you will see that Azure Data Lake Gen2 is ready. So here, what we have done, like a step one, Azure Portal, click on resource, search for a storage account, click a storage account, create button. Don't close Azure Portal. Keep it open. We are not done. Then we have to fill the basic info like subscription, select free trial or your existing subscription resource group. Click create new, name that one, storage account must be unique, reason, performance, and step 3. This is the magic setting. This is the most important part. Scroll down to advanced tab. Find this setting, enable hierarchical namespace. See it, check this box. This make it data lake, not regular storage. Without this, you get blob storage. With this, you get data lake storage Gen 2. This one checkbox, the whole differences. Everything else, leave as default, don't touch. Now again, we have to come on the portal. You can see validation got succeeded. Now I have to click on create. And then we have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. And after, like you will see here, in the notification, it is showing initializing deployment, initializing template deployment to resource group like my first data lake 234. Now, just wait for this one. If suppose you forget to enable, suppose you are going to create a new storage account, and as you have completed all of the basic infos, like open your Azure storage account, left menu under like everything, like you have chosen the subscription, and then but you forget to enable, like you forget to go on the advanced button and you have not enabled hierarchical namespace. So don't panic. So what you have to do, like you can upgrade after creation, like go to Azure storage account, click, go to resource or find it in portal, find the upgrade option. Then we have to pick the setting, we have to choose the data lake gen to upgrade and then configuration. I can show you in this practical. Okay, first I am just waiting for the deployment. Okay, it is saying that your deployment is completed. Now I have to go to the resource group. And you will see my first data lake 123 we got succeeded. And you can see here hierarchical namespace is enabled. It means we have created first data lake. Now I have to go. I can show you the second one. You can see here I have, like in this portal we have two resource group. So in this ABC there is a storage account. But now you can see here hierarchical namespace is disabled. It means it is blob storage. So what I have said, like if you have created this particular storage account but you have not enabled that hierarchical namespace, don't worry. How we will do? You have to go into the settings section and there is an option data lake gen 2 upgrade. And when it is saying we have to follow 3 steps, like a step 1 review, just click. Then a step 2, it will check everything's perfect or not, just click here, agree to changes. Then a start validation, it will just take some minutes, and after that when you click like upgrade account, it will convert your normal blob into Azure Data Lake Gen 2. Now boom, now you have created Data Lake Gen 2. And congratulations, like this one, like within 10 minutes you just created Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. So what you just built here, like a data storage account with hierarchical namespace, ready for big data, can store unlimited files. And what will be the next? Like we will create containers, we will use, we will do upload files, set permission, start analyzing. So next video, like containers, upload files, permission, easy way. So if this helped, like, subscribe, comment, data lake created. See you next video. Happy learning.